Hello people. Hello people. Today our topic is voltage to current converter and current to voltage converter. In many applications, one may have to convert a voltage signal to a proportional output current or a current signal to a proportional voltage signal. We may use this for that purpose. We may use this VI converter and IV converter. Okay, so voltage to there are two types of voltage to current first let us look into voltage to current converter. The voltage to current converter is also called transconductance amplifier. So the voltage to current converter is used in case, for example, when we drive a deflection coil in a television tube, we may require this voltage to current conversion. For this, we may have two types of circuits possible. One is voltage to current converter with floating loads, and the other one is voltage to a current converter with grounded load. VI converter with floating load. VI converter in which load resistor RL is floating, not connected to ground. Vin is applied to the non-inverting input terminal and the feedback voltage across R1 devices the inverting input terminal. This circuit is also called a current series negative feedback amplifier because the feedback voltage across R1 depends on the output current I0 and is in series with the input difference voltage VID. So this is the voltage to current converter with the floating load. Look into this diagram. Here the voltage to current converter as a load RL which is floating and it is not connected to the which is floating. So the input voltage is applied at the non-inverting terminal and the feedback voltage across the R1 drives the circuit inverting input terminal. This circuit is also called current series negative feedback amplifier because the feedback across voltage R1 depends on the current IL and is in series with the input difference voltage. So writing KVL for this circuit, we may get voltage VID is equal to VF and IB is equal to base current. So VI is equal to RLIO where I0 is equal to VI by RL. From the figure, input voltage Vin is converted into output current of Vin by RL. In other words, input volt appears across R1. If RL is a precision resistor, the output current I0 is equal to Vin by Rn will be precisely fixed. So this may be used in applications like low voltage AC and DC voltmeter, diode match finders, LED and xenodiode tester. Next one is the voltage to current converter with grounded load. So the figure shows the voltage to current converter with grounded load. Here RL is grounded. So this is the other type of VI in which one of the terminal is connected to the ground. So analysis of the circuit. So since here we may take this node, since the node here as a voltage V, therefore V is equal to I into RL. So IL is equal to VI by R1. So here the base current is 0. That is the input voltage VI is converted into the output current of VI by R1. It may be seen that the same current flows through the signal source and the load, and therefore signal source should be capable of providing this load current. A voltage to current converter with grounded load is shown in here it is shown. So hence here the voltage V1 be the voltage at the node. Writing KVL we may get I is the I1 plus I2 is equal to IL. Then VI minus V1 divided by R plus V0 minus V1 divided by R is equal to IL. Next one is by rewriting the equation VI by R minus V1 by R plus V0 by R minus V1 by R is equal to IL. So again rewriting it, we make it V0 by R plus Vi by R is equal to IL plus V1 by R plus V1 by R. So Vi by R is equal to IL plus 2V1 by R minus V0 by R. 2V1 by R is equal to Vi by R minus IL plus V0 by R. V1 is equal to I minus IL R plus V0 divided by 2. Since the op-amp is used in non-inverting mode, the gain of the circuit is 1 plus R by R is equal to 2. The output voltage is V0 is equal to 2V1 is equal to Vi plus V0 minus ILR, that is Vi is equal to IL into R. Therefore IL is equal to Vi by R. As the input impedance of a non-inverting amplifier is very high, then this circuit has the advantage of drawing a very little current from the source. Hence it can be used in application like low voltage DC and AC voltmeter, LED, Zener diode tester, diode match finders, and then the circuit becomes LED when the switch is in position 3. So current to voltage converter. The current to voltage converter is also called a trans resistance amplifier. Current to voltage converter I to V is a special case of the inverting amplifier in which an input current is converted into a proportional output voltage. Here open loop gain A of the op-amp is very large, input impedance of the op-amp is very high. Now let us look into this diagram. So one of the most common use of the current to voltage converter is in digital to analog circuits, photocell, photodiode and photovoltaic cell. So it gives an output current that is proportional to an incident radiant energy or light. Since the negative terminal is at virtual ground, no current flows through the RS and the current flows through the feedback resistor RF. Thus the output voltage is V0 is equal to minus IS RF. It may be pointed out that the lowest current that this circuit can measure will depend upon the bias current IB of the op-amp. This means that μA741 IB is equal to 3 nanoamps can be used to detect lower current. The resistor RF is sometimes shunted with a capacitor CF to reduce high frequency noise and possibility of oscillations. So sensitivity of the IV converter, the output voltage V0 is equal to minus RF IN. Hence the gain of this converter is equal to minus RF. The magnitude of gain is called as sensitivity of the I to V converter. The amount of change in output voltage for a given change in the input current is decided by the sensitivity of the IV converter. By keeping RF variable, it is possible to vary the sensitivity as per the requirement. So applications of IV converter includes one of the most common uses of current to voltage converter is digital to analog converter, sensing current through photodetector such as photocell, photodiodes and photovoltaic cell. Before going into this, let us have a recap of this. For many purposes, one may have to convert a voltage to a current signal and the other to a current to a voltage signal. So for this, we may have to produce a floating load. For this, we may have two types. One is the voltage converter with voltage to current converter with floating load, and the voltage to current converter with ground loads. So voltage to current converter is used when mostly when we derive a deflection coil in a television tube. So voltage to current converter has a load with floating current and it has an output such that IL is equal to V1 by R1. Also, if it is a grounded load, then we may have the output IL is equal to Vi by R1, but as the input impedance of a non-inverting amplifier is high, this circuit has the advantage of flowing very low current from the source. So Its application includes low voltage AC and DC voltmeter, LED, and zero diode. Next one is the current to voltage converter. So it is also called trans resistance. So trans resistance, so it is used in photodiode and photocells, and it may be a special case of the inverting amplifier. Uh, Thank you.